Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the last video, we had seen an unboxing video of the Waldent Nanofill composite kit. And there I had told you about a very affordable composite kit that I had ordered from Dental Card. And in this video, we are going to see a demonstration of a simple class 2 cavity that is restored using the composite. So first of all, we remove the caries. And once that is done, we will proceed with the isolation. Rubber dam is very essential for your practice. Don't compromise on that. It seems to be a little daunting at first, but with practice, rubber dam placement is really easy. It makes the procedure very comfortable both for you and for the patient. So after the rubber dam is placed, the area is washed thoroughly to get rid of any debris, any blood. After that, we are going to apply an etchant. Now, after the etchant is applied, we wait for 30 seconds and then we rinse off the area thoroughly. After this, we are going to apply the bonding agent. We use the applicator tip to scrub the bonding agent for 20 seconds on the tooth. This is very important because it decreases sensitivity and also the marginal leakage. And then blow dry using a 3-way syringe. Now the correct shade of the composite is chosen and the composite is built up in increments and light cured. Now once we have built the entire tooth, the rubber dam is removed. And then we are going to check for the occlusion, both in static as well as dynamic. After that is done, we ask the patient for his feedback and also we are going to show the patient the outcome. So this was a simple class 2 composite restoration. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question related to this video, do mention them in the comment section below. I will post the link of that composite kit in the description box of this video. Till we meet next time, take care. Allah Hafiz.